Now we're back to exploring Generative Fill. I tried to do some skin retouching, and here's a little overview of what I did and what worked. I'm going to use the lasso tool right here, just left click drag. First prompt I tried was simply skin retouching. What it gave me for the most part was totally unusable. It gave me a cream on top of the skin. Oh, first one is not that bad, but you can see the other ones. There's some cream just put on there for some reason. Next, I tried high-end skin retouching, so that we have this typical magazine look. And once again, just some cream. So this is not the right prompt to use. I selected everything and I tried it as well. Skin retouching or high-end skin retouching. And this works on the skin, but it gives us a totally different model. So here we have the magazine look, but it doesn't keep the original face. So that's also not a great idea. Next I tried to select it. I use the selective area once again and I leave the prompt empty. And all of a sudden we have good results. It's not perfect, but it goes in the right direction. Let me select another area and I try smooth skin. And again we have some cream here, but the other ones are usable. But our empty prompt was actually the best as far as I can tell. You can see that right here. So from the tests that I've done so far, I would actually recommend using an empty prompt. Use the lasso tool, add parts to selection right here. And now we'll select all of these areas one by one. Let me show you smooth skin first. On this gives us totally unusable results. I don't know what this is. Ketchup, makeup, whatever. Let me press Ctrl Z so that I don't have to reselect it. So I'm here, Generative Fill, and then leave the prompt empty, generate. And this is actually giving me the best results so far. Let us compare it. Maybe second one is the best. We'll compare it to the original. I think it's a huge difference. Still not this magazine look, so you have to clean it up using manual methods. But maybe it gets there in the future. So once again, leave the prompt empty, try it, and it should work best. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.